Hello everyone, I am Anita, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Today we are going to see about the subject is cost control techniques and audit. Let's see, the topic is concepts of cost accounting. Let's see, the cost accounting is the branch of accounting that focus on recording, analyzing and controlling the cost ascertained with the production of goods and services. It helps to the business to determine the cost and operations, identify of the area of waste and improving profitability. See, the definition is accounting to the Chartered Institute of Management account. Cost accounting is the process of accounting for cost from the point of which expenditure is committed to the establishment of utilization relationship with cost center and cost units. Let's see the objective of cost accounting. The objectives are to ascertain the cost of products, services, processes, to control the reduction cost, to aid in plan and decision making, determine profitability, to provide data for financial reports. These are all the main objectives. Next, see the elements of cost accounting. In the elements, there is have a direct material, indirect labor cost, direct expenses, indirect cost. The direct material is the raw material that can be identified with the production of goods. The direct labor cost is wages paid to workers directly, that is all the direct labor cost. Next, direct expenses. What are the direct expenses? Is a job, such a tool. The direct expenses all like the salary, these are all included in this. Indirect cost. All the overheads are indirect cost, like factory overhead, administrative overhead, sales and distribution overheads. Next, see the cost classifications. What are the cost classifications? By nature, by functions, by behavior. These are all the classifications. The nature is material, labor, expenditure. Next one is production, administrative, selling. Next, fixed, variable and semi-variable. The direct and indirect. These are all the classifications in the cost accounting. Next, see the methods and techniques. The methods are job costing, process costing, batch costing, operation costing and contract costing. The job costing is nothing but cost controlled for each job or orders. Process costing is when the production is continuous. Batch costing is assigned to batches. Operation costing is service institutions, for the example transportation. Cost techniques, there is have a standard costing, managerial costing, activity based costing. These are all the costing techniques. The advantages of cost techniques. What are the advantages? The standard costing, material costing. These are all the advantages of techniques of cost advantage. Next one is advantages and limitations. See the advantages. It helps to cost control and cost reduction. It aids to budgeting and financial planning. It is improved to production efficiency. Next one is strategic decisions. Then product purchasing. The limitations are to improve the complex and costly data updation and monitoring. Next, actual market conditions. These are all the limitations. Okay, now see the conclusion of the content is the important and functions. Importance of the cost accounting is cost control. It helps to monitor and control operations and cost budgeting. Preparing budget and forecasting. Purchasing decisions. It helps to pick the selective products and services. Profit maximization. Identify unprofitable areas to improve margins. Internal reporting. It is the internal reporting to take the better decision making. Functions of cost accounting. It is the overall cost related transaction systematically. Classify the cost into categories like material, overhead and labor. It is the operation costing to different departments or jobs. Next, preparing cost statements and reports. Analyze the various identification resources for identify the better product, services and budgets. The cost accounting is a tool in modern business management. It is not only to help the determining cost, production and services, but also ascertain the planning, controlling and decision making with growing the companies to the next level. It is one of the successing process of the organization. It helps to get the profit to compare the previous. Thank you.